Welcome back, my friends. Today I'm going to show you how to create these wedding sleeves. So since I hemmed the wedding gown, I had this piece left from the hem and I needed to create matching sleeves. So what I did, I matched this long hem in two and then I cut it exactly the length I needed and the shape. I made like 1 inch at the edge wide and then in the middle it was around 2.5 inches. My hem, it was made with two layers, tulle and the beading layer. If you don't have that, don't worry about it. You can leave just this layer. Next, I'm gonna take the soft mesh fabric. I'll fold it in half. The length is gonna be exactly same length as our sleeve, but it's gonna be 9 inches wide. We need two pieces for each sleeve. After we cut these two pieces, we have to sew one side of the sleeve. After I sew one side, I will turn to the right side and I have to press it. Next, I will take the sleeve with beads and then I will take the mesh that is the part which we didn't sew it, and this part we will have to insert and sew between the layers of the first sleeve. I'm gonna start sewing and attaching to the mesh part. If you don't have the mesh part, then you can sew it right on the beaded part, but make sure you hide the allowance all the way inside. And then after we're gonna sew the mesh, only thing we're gonna need is just to fold the sleeve and then sew it with hand. We need the clean beaded sleeve and then we'll be able to play with pleats. So here I am adding some pins to the mesh part and I will sew it together. After all, we have to fold the beaded part on top of the seam so we can hide the seam inside. And then this stitch I will have to do by hand. All we do is a running stitch with a simple needle and thread. After our upper part is ready, we are ready to play with pleats. And on the edge, I'm gonna start creating a small pleats and pin them. After I pin the sides, I want to make sure they look really nice in the center, so I'm probably going to pin in the middle as well. And then if I needed to adjust, then I can check on the customer or mannequin and double check how much I have to pull the pleats. Next, I'm going to just do a stitch on top at the edge, and what I'm going to add at the edge is the elastic loops. The elastic loops will be necessary only if you want to make sleeves detachable, or you can just sew it on a dress. Inside the dress, I sew a little clear buttons and they can be detachable easy. Because the layers of the fabric and beading is too thick, I'm gonna use the hand needle and reinforce it very well. And after all our sleeves is ready, and I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Let me know if you have any questions. Subscribe for more tutorials like this.